Who can resist a fluffy kitten or a playful puppy? Their big eyes, button noses, and clumsy antics melt our hearts. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we find these creatures so endearing? There's something about their innocent charm that tugs at our heartstrings. It's a universal language that transcends words, connecting us to the natural world in a profound way. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, cuteness knows no bounds. We are drawn to their vulnerability, their need for our care. Their playful nature reminds us of the simple joys of life. But cuteness is more than just a fleeting feeling. It's a powerful force that plays a crucial role in the survival of countless species. In the wild, life can be harsh and unforgiving. The wilderness is a place where only the fittest survive, and every day is a battle for existence. From the rugged landscapes to the stormy weather, the environment itself poses a significant challenge to all living creatures. The harsh conditions test the limits of endurance and adaptability, pushing animals to their extremes. Animals face constant threats from predators, competition for resources, and the ever-changing whims of nature. Predators lurk in every corner, always on the lookout for their next meal, while prey animals must remain vigilant and quick to escape. The competition for food and shelter is fierce, and only those who can outsmart or outfight their rivals will thrive. Additionally, the unpredictable weather can bring sudden storms, extreme temperatures, and other natural disasters that can wipe out entire populations. So how do some of the most vulnerable creatures manage to survive? In such a perilous environment, it seems almost miraculous that the smallest and seemingly weakest animals can find ways to endure. These creatures have developed a variety of strategies to avoid detection and stay safe. Some rely on camouflage to blend into their surroundings, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Others have developed behaviors that help them stay hidden, such as burrowing underground or remaining motionless for long periods. The answer, in many cases, lies in their adorable appearance. This cuteness is not just a random trait, it is a carefully honed survival mechanism. Baby animals with their big eyes, round faces, and fluffy bodies trigger a nurturing response in other animals, including humans. This response can be the difference between life and death for these vulnerable creatures. Cuteness is not just about aesthetics, it's a sophisticated evolutionary strategy. By appearing cute, young animals can elicit care and protection from their parents and other members of their species. This ensures that they receive the food, warmth, and safety they need to grow and develop. In some cases, even animals of different species can be moved to care for a cute baby animal, providing an additional layer of security. Animals with cute features have a higher chance of survival because they evoke a nurturing response in other animals, including humans. This response is deeply ingrained in our biology, a result of thousands of years of evolution. When we see a creature that looks like a baby, our brains are hardwired to respond with care and compassion. This instinctual reaction can be a powerful tool for survival, helping to ensure that the most vulnerable members of a species are protected and cared for. We are hardwired to protect and care for anything that resembles a helpless infant. This instinct is not limited to our own species. It extends to other animals as well. When we see a baby animal, our brains release chemicals that make us feel warm and affectionate, prompting us to take action to help the creature. This response can be so strong that it overrides our usual caution and fear, leading us to approach and care for animals that we might otherwise avoid. This innate response is deeply rooted in our biology, ensuring the survival of our own species. By caring for our young, we increase their chances of survival and ensure the continuation of our genetic line. This same response can be triggered by the sight of a baby animal, leading us to extend our protective instincts to other species. This cross-species nurturing behavior is a testament to the power of cuteness as a survival strategy. When we see a creature with baby-like features, large eyes, a rounded head, and clumsy movements, our brains release oxytocin, the love hormone. This hormone is responsible for the feelings of bonding and affection that we experience when we interact with our own babies. The release of oxytocin creates a powerful emotional connection, making us more likely to care for and protect the animal. This response is not just a fleeting feeling. It can lead to long-term bonds and a commitment to the animal's well-being. This surge of oxytocin creates a feeling of warmth and affection, making us more likely to care for the animal in need. The bond that forms between humans and animals can be incredibly strong, leading to lifelong relationships and a deep sense of responsibility for the animal's welfare. This connection is a powerful example of how cuteness can be a vital survival strategy, helping to ensure that even the most vulnerable creatures have a chance to thrive in a harsh and unforgiving world. The scientific term for this retention of juvenile features is neoteny. Neoteny is a fascinating concept that explains why certain animals and even humans retain youthful characteristics well into adulthood. This phenomenon is not just a random occurrence but a result of evolutionary processes that favor certain traits for survival and social bonding. Neoteny is the key to understanding why some animals remain irresistibly cute throughout their lives. These juvenile features, such as large eyes, small noses, and rounded faces, trigger nurturing instincts in adults, making them more likely to care for and protect these animals. This is particularly evident in domesticated animals, which have evolved alongside humans for thousands of years. These animals retain the adorable characteristics of their youth, such as large eyes, a small nose, and a playful demeanor. This playful behavior is not just for show, it serves important functions in social bonding and learning. Playful interactions help young animals develop crucial survival skills and strengthen social bonds within their groups. Think of the domesticated dog. Dogs are a prime example of neoteny in action. Over generations, humans have selectively bred dogs to enhance these juvenile traits, making them more sociable and easier to train. This has resulted in a wide variety of dog breeds, each with its own unique set of neotenous features. Compared to their wolf ancestors, dogs have retained many juvenile features, such as a shorter snout, a more rounded head, and a wagging tail. These physical changes are accompanied by behavioral changes, making dogs more playful and less aggressive than wolves. This transformation has made dogs ideal companions for humans, capable of forming strong emotional bonds. These traits make them appear less threatening and more approachable, strengthening their bond with humans. The mutual benefits of this relationship are evident. Humans provide food, shelter, and care, while dogs offer companionship, protection, and even therapeutic benefits. This symbiotic relationship has stood the test of time, showcasing the power of neoteny in fostering interspecies connections. Neoteny is not limited to mammals. It is a widespread phenomenon observed across various species, including birds, reptiles, and fish. Each of these groups has evolved neotenous traits that enhance their survival and reproductive success in different ways. Birds, reptiles, and even fish exhibit neotenous features that enhance their survival chances. For instance, many bird species have large eyes and rounded heads, which make them appear more endearing to their parents and other members of their species. Reptiles and fish may retain juvenile coloration or body shapes that help them blend into their environments, reducing the risk of predation. The axolotl, for example, is a type of salamander that retains its larval gills throughout its life. This unique trait allows it to remain aquatic, unlike other salamanders that undergo metamorphosis and transition to a terrestrial lifestyle. The axolotl's neotenous features have fascinated scientists and pet enthusiasts alike, making it a popular subject of study and a beloved pet. This unusual characteristic gives the axolotl a perpetually youthful appearance, making it a popular pet. Its ability to regenerate lost body parts, such as limbs and even parts of its heart and brain, adds to its allure. The study of neoteny in axolotls and other animals continues to provide valuable insights into developmental biology and evolution, highlighting the intricate ways in which life adapts and thrives. The awe factor. How cuteness inspires caregiving. Have you ever wondered why we find baby animals so irresistibly cute? It's not just a random quirk of human nature. There's a fascinating science behind it. The power of cuteness extends far beyond mere survival. It's a deeply ingrained mechanism that triggers our caregiving instincts. When we see those big eyes, small noses, and fluffy bodies, our brains release a cocktail of chemicals that make us feel good. This reaction isn't just about feeling warm and fuzzy, it's a survival mechanism that ensures the young are cared for. It has a profound impact on our behavior, influencing our interactions with animals and even shaping our cultural values. In many cultures, animals are revered and protected, often seen as symbols of purity and innocence. This cultural reverence can be traced back to the innate human response to cuteness, which fosters a sense of responsibility and care. From the moment we lay eyes on a cute creature, our brains are flooded with a cascade of emotions that drive us to protect and care for them. This response is almost instantaneous, and it's not just limited to humans. Other animals also exhibit similar reactions when they encounter young ones, whether of their own species or others. This awe factor is no accident. It's a result of thousands of years of evolution. Animals that could elicit caregiving behaviors from adults had a better chance of survival. Over time, these traits became more pronounced, leading to the irresistibly cute features we see today. It's a powerful tool that animals have evolved to exploit our innate nurturing instincts. This evolutionary strategy ensures that the young receive the care and protection they need to survive and thrive. It's a beautiful example of how interconnected life on Earth is, with each species playing a role in the survival of others. When we see a baby animal in need, our hearts melt and we feel an overwhelming urge to help. This response is so strong that it often extends beyond our own species. People are known to go to great lengths to rescue and care for animals in distress, driven by the same instincts that make us care for our own young. This response is not limited to our own species. Animals, too, exhibit caregiving behaviors towards young ones that are not their own. There are countless stories of animals adopting orphans from other species, driven by the same nurturing instincts that humans have. Animals across the animal kingdom exhibit caregiving behavior towards their young and even towards other species. This cross-species caregiving is a testament to the universal power of cuteness and the deep-seated instincts that drive us to nurture and protect. Cuteness acts as a universal language, bridging the communication gap between different species. It's a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the shared instincts that bind us together. So, the next time you find yourself saying "aw" at the sight of a baby animal, remember that you're participating in a timeless dance of survival and care that spans across species and generations. From ferocious predators to cuddly companions, the domestication of animals is a testament to the power of cuteness. Over centuries, humans have selectively bred animals for desirable traits, including those that enhance their cuteness. This process has transformed some of the world's most fearsome predators into beloved companions. Take the example of the cat. Once revered for their hunting prowess, cats have become one of the most popular pets worldwide. Their sleek bodies, piercing eyes, and playful antics have captivated humans for millennia.